If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this plain Crown Royal whiskey bottle into this lovely pearl and rhinestone embellished bottle, keep watching this video.
Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be doing a video embellishing another Crown Royal bottle, and it is going to be Mardi Gras themed. I did one of these before and it kind of accidentally was Mardi Gras themed, and I had red in there to try to match this crown, but this time there's going to be no red. This is going to be straight Mardi Gras themed, so this is a little different. I am going to be using some liquid fusion glue. You could use any type of wax pencil to pick up your rhinestones. It just helps, it makes it a lot more easier. Then I have some liquid fusion in my little precision tip bottle. As you can see here, I have my pearls all laid out. So I'm going to be using these lovely gold pearls, 8mm pearls, no, 10mm pearls, 6mm gold pearls, and I have these 5mm purple rhinestones, regular resin, and these green 5mm rhinestones as well. Okay, so I already wiped this off with rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. Now, when you purchase your bottles, a couple things to look for. This is the second time this happened to me actually with the same exact bottle, but the label is crooked because I like to outline the label, but it's very crooked for whatever reason. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with that area first. Then as I use the pearls, I like to scatter globs of glue, nice amounts of it, because the pearls are so big, you really want them to stay. So I'm just going to add on but I'm just going to add some random splatters of glue that I had mentioned before. I'm going to use the big bottle to put glue on here. So just watch me go ahead and do this, and I'll just add the bigger stones, the bigger pearls here. I'm going to add the bigger pearls. Just continue to watch. They may even slide, but that's fine. This glue does take a little bit of time to dry, so don't worry about that.
Okay, so I'm showing you how I've added mainly all of the pearls I'm going to add and space them out pretty well. Just continue to place your rhinestones and pearls on as good as you can, because this bottle does have a lot of grooves in the way it's made, so it can get pretty difficult. So you may have to add a little bit more glue than normal, but just keep on and make sure everything is nice and tight.
Okay, so I'm just going to continue adding the rhinestones. And this is where I am so far. I'm just kind of scattering, filling in certain areas. The first time I did this, I had 4mm rhinestones, which were way too small, and it took longer to finish. So now I'm using the 5mm, and I like this a lot better. And I don't have the red on here like I did last time. I strictly have the Mardi Gras colors. So you can just continue watching as I fill this in. Again, this is a more difficult bottle for me to embellish because of how all the dips and grooves are. Just in the construction of the bottle, the way they made the construction of the bottle, the way they made it, that's just the nature of it. So consider that when embellishing this bottle. I mean, there's so many rivets and grooves, you like literally have to put, I suggest just use a little more glue than you normally would. I suggest using a little more glue than you normally would, just to make sure everything stays.
And I'm going to do a little Crown Royal shorty bottle as well. This shorty bottle has a much flatter surface and much easier to work with, but it's pretty much the same method, just making sure everything is nice and tight to avoid any gapping or spacing. So this is going to be like a cute little set. Here is the final result. I love this Mardi Gras color mix. These are very, very, very pretty. These were some sort of gift for one of my sister-in-law's co-workers, and they really, really were very happy to get this. So keep in mind, these type of items make lovely gifts, beautiful keepsakes. And you can do so many different type of designs. You can do glitters, you can do all rhinestones, all pearls. So if you did enjoy this video, just give it a thumbs up, share it on Facebook if possible. You can subscribe if you'd like to. If not, thanks for stopping by. I hope you did receive some type of inspiration from this video. Again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.